Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 2, Governance and Management of IT. The Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, certification is a globally recognized professional designation for individuals who audit, control, monitor, and assess information technology in business systems. One of the key domains covered in the CISA exam is governance and management of IT. 1. IT governance frameworks. Candidates are expected to understand various IT governance frameworks such as COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, ITL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, ISO/IEC 27001, and others. They should know how these frameworks help organizations establish and maintain effective IT governance structures. 2. IT governance structure. This involves understanding the organizational structures, roles, and responsibilities related to IT governance. It includes knowledge of the board of directors' oversight, executive management's responsibilities, and the role of IT governance committees. 3. IT strategy alignment. Candidates should understand how IT strategy aligns with business objectives and how IT governance ensures that IT investments support the organization's strategic goals. 4. IT policies, standards, and procedures. This involves knowledge of developing, implementing, and maintaining IT policies, standards, and procedures to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and alignment with business objectives. 5. Risk management. Understanding risk management principles and practices related to IT, including risk assessment methodologies, risk treatment options, and risk monitoring and reporting. 6. Performance monitoring and reporting. Candidates should understand how to monitor and report on IT performance metrics to ensure that IT services and investments are delivering value to the organization. 7. IT resource management. This involves knowledge of IT resource management practices, including human resources, infrastructure, and applications, to ensure that resources are effectively utilized and aligned with business needs. 8. Vendor management. Understanding the processes and practices for managing relationships with IT vendors and service providers to ensure that services are delivered according to agreed-upon standards and contractual obligations. In essence, the governance and management of IT domain of the CISA exam assesses candidates' understanding of how IT governance frameworks, structures, and processes contribute to the effective management of IT resources and the alignment of IT with business objectives.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.